Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with the HARYMOR Indoor Security Camera. A 2K pet camera packed with features to keep your loved ones safe and sound. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about clarity. With 2K HD resolution and a 360-degree panoramic view, this camera ensures you never miss a single detail. Whether you're keeping an eye on your baby, pet, or elderly loved one, rest assured, you'll have crystal clear visuals at your fingertips. But what sets this camera apart is its one-touch call feature. Imagine being able to have real-time conversations with your loved ones, no matter where you are. Whether it's reassuring your pet or checking in on an elderly family member, this camera makes staying connected effortless. And let's not forget about night vision. With Magic Pix technology, this camera delivers clear images even in the darkest of environments. Plus, its sleep mode allows you to ensure privacy when you need it most, giving you peace of mind around the clock. When it comes to security, this camera has you covered. Its advanced AI motion detection can track and recognize both people and pets, sending you instant alerts whenever activity is detected. Plus, with customizable alert settings, you can tailor notifications to suit your needs. And what about storage? Whether you prefer local or cloud storage, this camera has you covered. With support for 24/7 continuous video recording on a micro SD card or free rolling cloud storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. Now, let's talk setup. Setting up this camera is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive app and straightforward instructions. Within minutes, you'll have your camera up and running, giving you instant peace of mind. In conclusion, the HARYMOR Indoor Security Camera is a game-changer when it comes to home security. With its high-definition visuals, two-way audio, and advanced features, it's a must-have for any household. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, stay safe and stay connected.